Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send a message on LinkedIn. Messaging on LinkedIn is a great way to start your professional conversation. So let's dive in. First, open the LinkedIn app from your mobile device. The next step is to use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for the person whom you want to message. You can search by their name, company, job title or other keywords. Once you find the profile, click on their name to open it. If you are already connected with the person on LinkedIn, you'll see the option to send them a message. Just click on the message button and chat window will open. If you are not connected yet, you'll need to send them a connection request first. When you send a request, you'll have the option to add personalized note. It's a great idea to briefly introduce yourself to improve your chances of getting accepted. Once the chat window opens, simply type your message in the text box. Don't forget to be polite, professional and clear about your reasons for reaching out. And if they message you back, you'll get a notification to respond. Open your LinkedIn message. And that's it. Now you know how you can send a message on LinkedIn, whether you're just starting a conversation or following up with someone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and happy networking.